अरे एक्शन वाला पोज दे दो रघु सर, एक्शन वाला पोज दे। थैंक यू सर।
सर आपका राइट।
सर सेंटर आपके सेंटर रघु सर यहाँ पे। रघु सर यहाँ पे। आपका राइट में सर यहाँ पे सर
This is in the film also.
Yeah, it was fantastic. Did you like it? What is your first reaction when you saw it?
I just keep asking Prabhu, how does he do it?
I'm going to ask him lots of questions right now. Sir, this step that you're doing on the side, you know, action, you can get injured. Have you ever got injured with your ankles and all? Because you were Mr. Rubber 20 years ago. You are more than, you're latex now. How is it possible? Some injuries happen while dancing?
No. When I did it in, because shooting was happening. So in every set we used to do it. I did it, and after seeing it, even I felt, good, yeah.
So do you do a specific warm-up routine before dancing? Because everything that we ask you is like just like that only I done, you know. I've just come here and just said action and happened.
No warm-up, because when shooting happens,
No, he just changes and he just does it. I don't know when he thinks, how he thinks.
Yeah. So generally speaking, I know it's in your blood also, but you know, I'll tell you a very interesting story about Prabhu sir. Sorry, sir. We had a conversation 5 minutes, so I must tell them. This gentleman, whose waist size is probably 27, eats 2 to 3 bars of chocolate at a time. Not pieces, bars of chocolate. Now we know why he doesn't put on any weight, sir. So do you have a bar of chocolate before dancing? What is your energy routine to try and come into it? Or once you start dancing, that's it?
shooting is enough.
Shooting is enough. But you say you you dance during the breaks of shooting. No? Okay, so this concept that was thought about, did it just suddenly come about, or did you actually think, because we haven't seen you dance like this. I think ABCD was the last time we saw this, but this I feel is more than that. This is like focused on you.
No, actually when we thought of this song, beginning only we thought every set we will little bit we will do with everyone. Then shooting was very hectic and very, so in between we did it. And I told sir also, sir, in between we have to do like, okay.
Every set, every location, you just did one
so
shot.
it's in every set.
You, sir, as an actor, will look for Prabhu sometimes, sir, and say, "Haan, theek laga kya?" Who do you look to say if the shot is okay? Do you sometimes say, "Haan, ye acha lag raha hai," say nothing? No. So who is your person who says, "Okay, take"?
No, after doing it, I will go for next shot. That's it.
You don't even see the take.
Yeah, I know.
When he makes a mistake, he knows, and he hardly makes a mistake.
Brilliant. Now, you know, I think we'll get lots of more questions out there. The man who makes no mistakes. And Mr. Ajay Devgan, sir, this stomach that has gone inside and this perfectly curved body of yours, we've all tried this very hard. You keep getting it, you get it.
I think you have a great body.
So, so like I said, so this shirt helps a lot to not show that. I don't think I can stand like that. Did you have to sacrifice too much to get here? I know sugar, food. You seem to know, you like your food also.
Yeah, you cut down on your sugar and things.
Yeah.
And you work out. Like I've not been working out these days. So
yeah.
I'm also like you right now.
But are you enjoying this process also of getting in shape, getting out of shape?
Yeah,
I know it's very difficult.
And you can't keep maintaining it all around the year.
Yeah.
So it's you be at the edge whenever you want to get into it. It takes you a month and a half.
Would you say that I think this is the best shape I've ever seen you in?
I don't know. That's for you to decide.
We'll ask them also. So I'll open it out to
Actually, I want.
Yeah.
Sir lost his weight for the 2.5 minutes fight only. We told we need a bare body shot, sir. For 2.5 minutes only, he lost 17 kilos. Then because we lost here and there, we have to do shoot. I said, sir, for song also. Okay.
But whatever is required is required. So tell me when.
No, actually for this channel, like we don't want, no.
Yeah.
Just like, but we told sir one more for the promotion also looks. Okay, Prabhu. Again, okay, more 5 more days. Again, I will exercise.
You have made Ajay sir do more than anybody has made him do for a long time. I think this is the beautiful dialogues that are out there. But the action and the dance, I don't think he's ever done as much as he's done in this movie. Would I be right to say that, sir?
Yeah, I think so.
Imagine that in a 20-year career, this is the most that you've done in a film, and with Prabhu Deva.
Dancing definitely, and the way he's presented me is completely different. And yeah, action also is done like this after a very, very long time.
I'll open it out to the media. Yeah.
Hi Ajay, hi Prabhudeva. This is Urvi here from Claps and Slaps. Prabhuji, Jugalbandi is very rare these days. So what made you come up with an idea like Jugalbandi, and that too with Ajay Devgan? It's even rarer. So what made you come up with this idea?
No, actually, I don't know whether it's Jugalbandi. Jugalbandi means
Maybe
more
a
songs, no?
semi-Jugalbandi types.
No, too many songs makes Jugalbandi.
No, so Jugalbandi can be two people dancing together also, you know.
A Jugalbandi
like
of anything. And now here the Jugalbandis of my dialogues in your dancing.
Acha, okay, like it came, I don't know, it came to the, so it looks
I
nice.
really thought it was a good combination because, I mean, my dialogues do work and he's superb at dancing. So the combination was, I think, fabulous.
Were you nervous when he told you that he's planning to do a Jugalbandi kinds of? Or were you told that you're not
I
supposed to
didn't
dance?
even know about that he was doing Jugalbandi. He was just dancing on the set everywhere. Anyway, happy watching him.
Hi Prabhu sir, first of all congratulations on your song. Song is very good. You know how you do this kind of dance and totally like full flaxy, and which kind of preparation for that?
No, as I said before, I'm dancing for last 25 to 30 years. So when shoot happens, then one more shot. We have to do in every set one shot. Then immediately I have to go dress change and ready, take that. Finished.
Talking about Ajay sir, like he is a producer, director, actor. What's a strong point you think Ajay sir as a person?
He, he's already, he's in that high and he believed us and actually sir believed in us so much. It's very scary because we have to, the responsibility is more and we have to satisfy sir, and he never asked a question like what to say. He worked really very, very hard and it's very scary because he believed so much on us. We were like literally me, my writer and all, he must be happy, must make him many things, I don't know how to put it.
Ajay sir, same question. You like, you work so many different directors. First time worked like Prabhu sir as a director. What's the strong point you think Prabhu sir as a director?
I think every which way. Everybody knows he's the best choreographer, best dancer in the country. I would say as a director, he exactly knows what he wants. And he's a fabulous actor himself. So his comedy timing and drama and everything is completely different from how we do in other films. If you see the comic timing in this film, it's completely different. It's not with too many dialogues and things like this. It's just situational and just timing, which he does it himself.
Actually, yesterday we were, re-recording and the thing is going on. Me, my writer and my dialogue writer were watching Sir, that Sir from heart has acted in this film. We can see that sincerity, that honest, something it's very, from heart he has acted. You can see that somewhere it's so true in the film.
Sir, Prabhu sir, just before that, Ajay sir told me yesterday that you like acting also in between all the shots. So you act it out and you do like to show it across also.
In fact, we ask him.
Yeah.
Really
And so
show.
show the acting, show the dance and all. So why aren't you acting in your films? You act it out for all the actors. You dance for all the actors. So now it's time. Why don't you like to do more than a guest appearance like this?
No, nothing is planned. It happens.
Hi, I'm Divya from Movies Adda. Since you guys have given a tribute to Michael Jackson in this song, this is a question for both of you. When Smooth Criminal and Moonwalker came, how many times did you see that time? It was a rage over there that time. So how many times did you see?
At that time as kids, we must have seen like 1,000 times. But it's been a long time now.
Prabhu sir?
No counts.
There have been a lot of quirky lines in the film. So what's your favorite?
I really don't know because there are a lot of nice lines and some of them you have not heard which are there in the film. So it confuses me. From what you've heard, I don't know. My son keeps saying it's my way or skyway. And I like the line, मैं सिर्फ एक ही बार बोलूँगा क्योंकि दूसरी बार सुनने के लिए तू नहीं होगा.
Hi Ajay, Rachna. Hi. Prabhu sir obviously doesn't go and see his takes, but did you go and see yours? How you
No,
had
I
done
never go
it?
close to the monitor.
You never do.
No.
How many takes?
Ask him.
No.
I never came and saw a show.
He never
But
did it.
how many takes did he take to perfect his dancing moves?
This, no, I think
This
one
one was
take
hardly
only,
dance.
everything.
So generally in the film also she's asking, you know, in the various
times?
dance steps that are there in the whole movie.
No, all dancing 2.5 days, 2 days and all we did the song.
So
Very-
not too many
yeah,
retakes.
No, 2.5 days, 2 days. It's very unbelievable fast.
Prabhu, I have a question for you also. We always see you in a cameo in your films. There's another director who we've always seen in cameos, which is Subhash Ghai. We always find him in his movies. Is that an inspiration, or is it because it always works? Whenever you've been in your films, the ones that you direct, they've always worked.
No, producers makes me, I think.
In this film, I forced him. And for this song also, I forced him. Because he didn't want to release the song, and I said, let's release the song. There's one more song we have in the film. But I said, let's release this song because Prabhu's dancing in this.
अजय सर, आलोक हियर फ्रॉम OFM. मेरा सवाल है कि आपके दिलवाले में भी डायलॉग हुआ करते थे, फिर गाने आते थे जब कैसेट्स हम खरीदते थे. उसके बाद अभी तू बिछड़न वाली फिल्म जो थी, सन ऑफ सरदार, उसमें भी डायलॉग देन गाने, इसमें भी डायलॉग के साथ गाने. कितना एंजॉय करते हैं इस फॉर्म को, जो संगीत का ये फॉर्म आ गया है?
अच्छा लगता है. I'm comfortable with dialogues. I'm comfortable with the language. तो I think लोगों को भी अच्छा लगता है वो, तो I try to use it as much as possible.
एंड प्रभु सर, अजय सर ने तो बोल दिया बहुत सारे डायलॉग. एक डायलॉग इस पूरे गाने से अगर आप उठा करके बोलें एकदम.
मैं एक ही बार बोलता हूँ, क्योंकि दूसरी बार सुनने के लिए तू नहीं होगा.
ऐसा आपने कभी सेट पे बोला एज ए डायरेक्टर किसी यूनिट वाले को या किसी को? नहीं सर, यू डिडंट. अच्छा, is Prabhu sir as shy like this on set also, sir?
No, he's completely into his work. At that point of time, he's not thinking who's around or what's happening.
And also, sir, Prabhu sir, I've always wanted to ask, you do such lavish films and all. In your mind, have you done sweet, simple love stories that one day you'll want to make also, which don't have to be such grand scales? Have you ever thought of that?
Yeah, I thought.
And you didn't make it at all, you just thought of it.
Producer must accept.
Hi, my question is to Mr. Prabhudeva. I'm Pankaj from glamsham.com. I want to know what is the process behind your choreography and how many days or how do you prepare yourself and how do you come up with the steps? Is it on the set itself or do you take time to prepare?
No, sometimes on the set, but sometimes we prepare. But when we hear the sound, some picture will come.
Okay. Okay, so the leg step which you do in this film, so
Yeah,
was
like,
it like
no,
that only?
Yeah, that day. I don't know. Yeah.
Sir, I'm putting in the spot. It just comes, na? Sir, can it come now once?
No, it's very difficult.
Achha, yes. But there's a signature step that they'll promise that they'll do for us, which is just AJ. But generally speaking, you have lucky mascots in your movie. Sonakshi is a lucky mascot. She doesn't like that word. She says, I'm also talented and I'm a lucky mascot. But just to take an extension of that question, do you also think sometimes it can be lucky that, people will start to look forward, like she's talking about another director. Do you feel a luck factor? Like cricket batsmen do it, they'll do a certain kind of thing every time for a film, some little mannerisms. Yeah.
Yeah, of course.
So what is your thought process before a video? Do you do something similarly every time, this pattern we'll do it and then we'll get on to shooting? Is there some luck factor in your mind? This boy should be there with me all the time. This trolley boy, this camera rig guy, because he's very lucky for me.
No, for every film, actually, all the technicians changes. Everybody, changes. But but I don't know, suddenly.
Okay, we'll come back to that.
Professor, hi. When you see full-fledged and acting on your own movie, because you directing so many actors every but when you use one on
ABCD,
that's only one movie, ABCD.
Yeah, enough.
प्रभु सर, मुंबई में आपने घर ले लिया है और नहीं लिया है तो कब लेने वाले?
Soon.
सर, किस तरीके का घर हुआ कुछ? क्योंकि आप यहाँ ट्रेवल ही करते रहते हैं, कभी देखा नहीं कि खुद के घर में रहे.
3 bedroom, anything.
So 3 bedroom where you can now afford one in the middle of the sea. So
Bombay is too costly.
Shy and modest as well. Anybody else? Yeah. Are we done? Thank you so much.
Thank you so
Thank you.
much.
Thank you.
Sir, one just for the photographers, just that A and J, just the shot.